Zabre yn ei tharo i mewn i hanner y Barri, yn grin ar peniad. Jarvis yn ei lledu ac yn annog Luke Cummins ar rediad. Mae McLagan yn y canol yn disgwyl y croesiad ac yn yna Jarvis! O! Dyna chi arbediad o'r safon ucha gan y gŵr newydd rhwng y pist i Aberystwyth, Gregor Zabre. Pwy sy'n cyrraedd y bêl gynta? Rimmer tu ôl i'r amddiffyn yn tynnu ddyn ôl ac yna Phillips oddi ar y linell. Green a Chibas newid cyfeirio y chwarae at Cummins. Cummins a 4 yn disgwyl y croesiad. Mae'n uchel at y postyn pella. McLagan am yn ôl ac yna Day yn rhoi'r ymwelwyr ar y blaen. Marcus Day i drydydd gôl mewn wythnos yn cael ei ffenio nôl gan y capten Kane McLagan, a Marcus Day yn gosod y bêl yn isiel, heibio i Zabre yn y gôl. Cic rydd yn cael ei tharo tuag at Franklin sy'n rhydd mewn i'r canol, penio gan Jenkins ac yna Sam Phillips a'i ergyd yn cael ei harbed gan Lewis. Fil at Franklin yn ddod yn ddyfnach i'w chasglu ddi, yna at Owain Jones yn ei lledu ddi at Matthew Jones sy'n croesi'n beryglus. Owen ac yna Phillips yn union i'r sgôr i gôl gynta yng Nghrys Aberystwyth yn dod ar tîm cartre yn gyfartal. Aberystwyth 1, y Barri 1. Cooper at Wharton yn codi'r bêl tuag at y gornel ucha. Hanner ffordd trwy'r ail hanner yma. Dyma Franklin, Harry Franklin, Jones o'i flanau. Owain Jones trwy'r canol! O, arbediad rhagorol arall gan Mike Lewis. Oedd y bas yn berffaith i lwybr Owain Jones, ond i ergyd isiel. Oedd Mike Lewis ddim yn mynd i adael ei eifo fe, a mae'n parhau yn 1-1. Davies chwipio ymlaen at Nat Jarvis yn reoli. Tackle nerthol yng nghanol gan Alex Darlington, a mae'r bêl yn cyrraedd Fil yn rhyddhau John Owen. Lewis oddi ar ei linell a rhwyd ochr gan John Owen. Cooper allan at Hugh, ond rhyngipiad pwysig gan Rimmer a lle o'i flanau. Y crysau gwyrdd yn llifo ymlaen. Y bas tu fewn tuag at Fil. Oedd yna dacl hwyr arno fe, oedd yn wir. A dyma cerdyn melyn cynta'r gêm yn mynd i Callum Sainty am y drosedd ar Jamie Fil. Munud ola'r 90, cic rydd i Aberystwyth, 2 yn y wal amddiffynol. Jones! Ac mae mewn! A mae di ennill y pwyntiau i Aberystwyth. Matthew Jones! Hyfryd gan y gŵr 2 ar 20 oed lleol yma o Aber. Aaron Davies, MacDonald, McLagan! Ac ail gyfle oddi ar y postyn. A mae dal yn o'r Barri. Ac yna MacDonald mae'n cael ei tharo allan gan Aberystwyth. Mae gan Cottrell, a mae Cottrell dros y bar. Ac mae'r floedd yn dweud y cyfan wrthoch chi. Cefnogwyr Aberystwyth yn sefyll yn gadarn tu ôl y tîm. A'r amddiffyn yn sefyll yn gadarn yn erbyn pob ergyd gan y Barri. Am ddiweddglo cyffroes yma ar goedlen y parc. Matthew Jones, many congratulations. 3 points at the beginning of the season, an assist and a fantastic winning goal. Sum up the feelings.
I can't. I said, before the game, I spoke with Club Piljoy and I said how important team spirit is. And, we believed the whole way through from 1 down, half time. We said, we'll keep going. It's there for us. And, last minute, I can't describe the feeling to put it in the top corner. But, yeah, I'm so happy here, buzzing.
Fantastic. We couldn't have asked for much more. The players gave absolutely everything today. I thought we looked so fit and strong in our last game against Penabont in the Cup, and I think we're just getting fitter and stronger as we go on. So you can't write things like this for me as a start to management, so very pleased with the performance.
Gavin, I'm sure that was a difficult pill to swallow in the last minute.
Yeah, listen, it was a good game, eh? I thought in the first half Aber probably had the better chances, if I'm being honest with you, at times. Second half, I thought there was only one team in it. I thought we were very front foot oriented, looked fit. Boys took on board information when we changed the system, and I think there was only one winner in it. We've missed some really good opportunities there where we should be more clinical, and we got punished for it in the end. And fair play, it's a decent free kick, and disappointed to come away empty-handed.
The winning goal was something special, but the equalising goal was just as special as well. Well created down that left-hand side.
Yeah, we spoke about it at half-time. We said probably one of the best goals we've scored as a club, as a collective. The way we moved it, we've been working on that in training, and I think this year we're more of a threat going forward, whereas we don't want to sit off and just go long. We want to play a bit, we want to try and score good goals, and we've done it today.
We were quite defensively last season. We were always on the back foot, but this year we've worked on going forward, and it's paid off from the training sessions. And to score a winning free kick like that, it's similar to the Carnarvon one when we came back and Vili put one in the top bin, and now Matty's gone and scored an incredible goal for us.
I suppose you have to lose to Aberystwyth at some point because you were 10 games unbeaten.
Yeah, I hadn't lost against them before, which is nice. Don't get a chance to say that often. But look, today the positives outweigh the negatives for me. It's first game of the season. You never really know where your team is at, because pre-season is it is what it is. But I thought we looked fit. I thought we looked strong. I thought we looked organised. I thought we looked threatening. And whilst we'd lose today, those sort of abilities will stand us in good stead.